Hello guys, today I have got the EDIFIER W280NB Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how to clean them. The most important thing is actually the charging port, and I'm actually talking from experience because I left my iPhone charging port didn't clean for 2 years, and I had many problems. So clean the charging port from time to time. How to do that? At first, prepare yourself the brush and the alcohol. As you can see, I don't have the alcohol because I used this a moment ago for my charging port, but that doesn't matter. Spray a little bit of alcohol on your brush. Let's assume that I did it, and clean it like this. That should be it. When it comes to the body of your headphones, the microfiber cloth should be enough. Try to don't use water, just try to use the microfiber cloth and clean your headphones all around. This should fix the issue when they are oily or you see some stains, moisture or anything else like that. So that should be it for the body. Now here we can move to the earbuds. Earphones are actually the most delicate one because we need to be extreme cautious here. You need to remove the ear tip, which is actually very difficult to put it on back again. So I need to warn you. We actually have a video of how to put them back on, so you can check that out. This is titled How to Change Ear Tips. So take the same brush, spray with alcohol, and just here unwing the ear tip and clean the middle of it like this. The same do with the outside, and actually here you can spray more of this alcohol, but it has to be the isopropyl alcohol because it doesn't transfer the power, so you know. So now if you have the alcohol here, you can either do this with the brush like I do now, or wipe it with the microfiber cloth, the same. And actually that should be it when it comes to the care of your headphones. So the same to the second one, and you should be good. Don't use water. Remember to not use water and the metallic tools. Goodbye.